Alright, before we start building AI agents, we need the playground where they live and run. Think of it like this. If you want to play Minecraft, you need to install the game first. And if you want to cook, you need a kitchen. And if you want to build AI agents, you need Python. Don't worry, this isn't scary coding stuff. I'll walk you through step by step. I'll even show you how you can skip the install and use online tools instead. What is Python? Python isn't a snake. It's a programming language. And the cool thing is, Python is one of the most easiest languages to learn. Most AI tools are built on Python. Isn't that crazy? It's like English language of coding. Simple, powerful, and used everywhere. So, and if you want full control, you can directly install Python on your laptop. Here's how. Step 1. Go to python.org/downloads. The link is given here. And choose the version that says recommended for your system like Windows, Macs or Linux. Install it. Run the installer. Check the box that says add Python to path. This makes it easier to run later. Click install and wait a minute and boom! Done! Step 3. Test it. Open your command prompt, window or terminal, Mac. Type Python 2 dashes version. If it shows something like Python 3.11.5, congratulations, you're ready. But hey, what if you can't install Python on your computer? Maybe it's a school laptop, or you don't want to mess with settings. No worries. You can use an online IDE. An IDE is an integrated development environment. It's just a fancy name for a coding workspace. Popular online IDEs for teens. Replit.com, super beginner friendly. Just sign up and start coding. Google Colab runs Python in your browser for free, backed by Google. Glama.ai. If you want drag and drop style with less code, Glama's your man. So why online IDEs are awesome? No installation needed. Works in Chromebooks. Many schools use them. Saves your work in the cloud. You can continue anytime, anywhere. It's like playing Roblox online. What is installing a huge PC game? Easy, fast and portable. The good news? Python itself is 100% free. Replit and Google Colab both have free plans. If you ever need more power, like faster processing or private projects, they also have paid versions. But honestly, starting out, the free ones are more than enough. Let's make this real. Example 1. In Python, write print, bracket, inverted commas, hello, Alex, with the exclamatory mark, and the inverted comma close and bracket. Output will be, hello, Alex. That's your agent talking back to you. Install Python, run a little script. Your bot tells you a random joke. On Replit, write a small program that asks, what subject are you studying today? You say math. It says, great, let's solve 3 practice questions together. Now, here's your mission for this lesson. Either install Python on your computer or sign up for Replit and run your very first line of Python code. Print bracket, inverted comma, hello, comma, AI agent, exclamatory mark, inverted comma close, and bracket close. Save it, because this will be the first ever AI agent voice you'll ever hear. Don't worry if it feels small. Even Jarvis started with one line of code. So remember, Python equals the language of AI agents. Once you install it, or you use an AI online playground like Replit or Colab, once you write your first line of code, you're officially a creator of AI agents. Next up, we'll connect Python to the AI brains like ChatGPT so your AI agent can think, not just print messages. That's where the magic starts. Bye!